Want to create chart in ChatGPT. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and give it some data in the CSV format. So I'll tell it to basically take in this data. All right, so this is my prompt. I am giving you this data for which, okay, you will give me charts. Wait for my prompts. I put a column so it knows this is where the data starts. Go ahead and feed this data into ChatGPT. All right, now I'm going to give it the prompts for the charts. There you go. You can put a basic prompt like that. You're going to be as specific as possible with ChatGPT so it does give you the correct output. I'm going to go ahead and plug that in to ChatGPT and wait for its response. As you can see, it is analyzing my data. So we just have to wait a little bit, give it some time. And there we go, guys. ChatGPT has created a bar chart for me. All right, now to use this chart, what you're going to do is open up your snipping tool, just take a screenshot of the bar chart. Okay, from the edges. And then let me take a better, screenshot just around here. And then what you're going to do is copy this. For example, open up your Word document and just go ahead and paste it. And we can also create other types of charts as well.